Making order of the world around us. Did you know that the world is full of diversity? Even when you step out of your door, you see the grass in your front yard, the trees that are in your yard and along the street, the insects eating your flowers, the people you work with, the dog across the street, the birds singing in the bushes, the skunk under your porch, the weeds in your garden, the flowers in your neighbor's yards, and many other animals and plants. And this is only in your own neighborhood. Think of all the plants and animals around the world, from the elephants in Africa to the cockroaches in America. Imagine how many animals there are in the jungle. Think of how many creatures live in the ocean that we don't even know about. This is biodiversity, the variety of life in an area. It is determined by how many species are in that area. There are approximately 1,200,000 species of animals, including vertebrates and invertebrates, 300,000 species of plants, and about 30,000 species of fungi and protists on our Earth. Just to count to 1 million would take about 15 days, depending on how fast you can count. Think if you had to name off all of the species that exist. It would take forever. There are so many species in our world. If there are so many species, how do we organize all of them? Well, we classify them, or that is, put them into groups based upon their characteristics. A long time ago, it was based upon their physical characteristics. Nowadays, it is based on their physical characteristics as well as their genetics. Our world is now divided up into domains, kingdoms, phylums, classes, orders, families, genus, and species. Or, as I like to remember it, kings play cards on fat green stools. It is divided this way to help our brains understand it. We start large and then go small, or start small and go large. A long time ago, a guy named Carl Linnaeus helped create the system of naming animals, or as it is called, taxonomic organization, or just taxonomy. Latin was the language they used and we use nowadays. This helps all scientists to know what animal or species you are talking about, no matter what language they speak. Carl Linnaeus helped us to bring order to a world of so much diversity by giving us a way to classify it. He helped us to organize it in a way we could all work with it. Classifying all living things into groups helps us to study and make sense of them. When there is so much diversity, we need a way to organize it. And we now have that way.